Fail fast, fail early is a well-known strategy that many of you may already have used. This strategy avoids assets from being taken too far too early, working with assets that have technical issues, and wasting time implementing assets that just aren't working. Our fail fast, fail early flowchart ended up looking something like this. We had established clear phases of progression, with reviews at vital stages before going too far with any particular asset. Assets could be sent back a phase if too many concerns were raised. Here is an example of how we took a character from concept to final game asset using this method. Here you'll see an early concept of our main ground unit, the Cyclops. It was described as a deteriorating, unmaintained unit. We had relevant departments called into a room to review several different concept ideas for this character and its artistic vision. We'd all have a chance to call out any technical concerns that we may have and any other relevant feedback. It would then move into the prototype phase. Our rigger David Payne would create a simplified, blocked-out version of the concept. The animation team would animate a basic set to satisfy most of the gameplay design needs. It was an opportunity not only to test the rig and the model, but to explore animation approaches. A basic animation set was done for all 4 archetypes, and these were implemented in-game. The low-poly models made it easy to identify the assets as works in progress. Through the creation of the basic sets, we were able to provide feedback to improve design and functionality, things that affected range of movement and weapon handling. We highlighted some of the things that just weren't working. We called for longer legs to help improve mobility. The head crest was causing clipping issues, and the length of the fingers which just weren't long enough to wrap around the weapon. Here's the updated version of the Cyclops after concept made revisions based on feedback and in-game results. With little concerns over the revised model, our rigger went ahead and rigged the character. The animation team moved forward with a more polished pass of an extended animation set. We were all building on the learnings we identified with the prototype. And here are the final assets in game. The fail fast, fail early approach allowed us to prove out designs sooner by getting assets in game and seeing them in context. It allowed us to create meaningful iterations based on game results and technical needs. This all resulted in less waste, as designs were properly vetted and proven to work.